Self-doubt does not disappear because you wish it away. It weakens when you build evidence against it. One action at a time. One improvement at a time. If you catch yourself speaking negatively about yourself, reverse it. Write the opposite. Even daily. Especially daily. The mind believes repetition. If limiting beliefs were installed through repetition, they can be removed the same way. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are not incapable. You may simply be operating on outdated programming. So update it. Quietly. Deliberately. Without announcing it. Work. Reflect. Adjust. And do not broadcast every step. Progress does not require noise. It requires consistency. Start small. Today. Not dramatically. Not loudly. Just intentionally. Self-doubt fades when discipline replaces it. And discipline is built in silence.